Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the 12th lecture of class 2 English. Today I will be reinforcing the concept of was and were, or where they are used. Actually, was and verb are helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. They are mostly used when we are talking about past, like he was playing. In Urdu it says वो खेल रहा था, sorry, and for that they were playing, वो खेल रहे थे. Sorry for my bad handwriting. Now what is the difference between was and were, and where they will be used? For I was, and he was, she was. With these pronouns I, he, she, or even with a single name, was will be used. And for they, like they were playing, you, like you were eating, and for they, you, yes, he, she, it, I, we, they, you, they and you, we and we sorry we too. With we were, like we were going to the train station, were will be used. Keep this concept in your mind. You guys will be given some worksheets, I think next month, to solve, and tomorrow I will be here with the concept of has and have. You can do some sentences involving was and were to reinforce the concept. You can get help from your parents or your tutors. If you still find any difficulty, leave a comment below video and I'll get to that. And the next video, Allah Hafiz.